What if you could plan out an entire world using sketches? Welcome to Sketching Everything. Kleiner Hai is a concept illustrator and designer with a talent for creating immense, sprawling worlds. In this brand new Learn Squared course, he's going to teach you his comprehensive techniques to define every aspect of a project through simple, easy-to-learn sketching. When building a world from scratch, quick and dirty brainstorming is the name of the game. Kleiner will help you to create not just singular drawings, but dozens of sketched images at a time, each defining different aspects of your universe. Using Kleiner's signature macro-to-micro workflow, you'll start with the largest establishing scenes and work your way down to the smallest personal moments. Throughout the course, you'll learn several finishing techniques for your sketches, including full line art scenes, value sketches, character sheets, color frames, and large-scale environment plans. Finally, you'll separately design close-up details like individual buildings or animals, even down to the doors and windows used in your world. By the end of these 4 lessons, your pencil will be able to move at the speed of your imagination. On top of that, Kleiner is currently hard at work on a second course all about his painting techniques, set to come out early next year. Your next project awaits. All you need to do is sketch it to life. Sign up today at learnsquared.com.